Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of How to Hack Ethical series. Today, I'm going to show you how do hackers stay anonymous and untraceable while hacking? Well, this is the most commonly asked question, and rightly so. To be completely stay invisible, unknowable, anonymous, untraceable, and one has to do a lot of research and hard work to truly anonymize themselves. Like change MAC address, prevent DNS leaks, delete cookies, block JavaScript, and much more. Following are the steps hackers take to be completely anonymous and untraceable. Warning: you are still not truly anonymous even after performing all of these things. These features and options just make it more challenging to find you. Not impossible. If someone really wanted to find you and had the means to do so, they could. Additionally, this video should only be used for educational reasons and should be regarded as such. We oppose using black hat techniques to hack. Step 1. Make some fake mobile numbers and emails. Having many fake mobile numbers and fake emails help you remain untraceable. You never have to give your real information on the internet. This helps you remain anonymous. Whenever hackers are hacking, and they need an OTP verification, they use a fake mobile number which cannot be traced to them. There are plenty of free websites available to provide fake or temporary email and mobile numbers. Just Google it. Step 2. Untraceable internet source. You need an internet source that cannot be used to identify you in order to hack the internet. The most crucial element is one that many people overlook. Making sure to use public Wi-Fi that does not track users is one method to achieve this. There is no logging system or CCTV camera. Step 3. An anonymous operating system. Avoid using Windows. Windows has numerous vulnerabilities that can be used. These cracks could be the gateway for spyware invasion, wiping out all of your anonymity attempts. They substitute open-source operating systems with enhanced security, including Kali Linux, Tails, and Wonix. Utilizing Kali Linux in live boot mode is the best option. Kali Linux is designed for penetration testing and hacking. Step 4. Spoof your MAC address. The first and most popular address for identifying your location and system data is the MAC address. A unique MAC address on your network card can be used to identify your device. To remain anonymous on the internet, you must spoof and change your MAC address. MacChanger is one of the tools used by hackers in Kali Linux. Step 5. Use a VPN or a proxy. Don't connect directly to the internet. Avoid anyone tracking down your real IP address through using VPN services and Tor. VPN enables users to create an encrypted private tunnel. Anyone attempting to trace from the internet side can only see the address of the VPN server, which could be a server located in any country around the world you choose. Tor is a whole network of nodes that route your traffic. Each node is only aware of the one in front and behind. Ultimately, your traffic routes onto the normal internet from one of these nodes, called an exit point. The most complete approach is to combine the two and use VPN before going into Tor. Step 6. Disable all telemetry services for your browser and disable tracking services. Many browsers have telemetry and tracking services which are used to track usage and compatibility of browser with various systems and hardware. These services leak your data which can be traced back to you. So in order to disable tracking, open your browser and go to Settings. Depending on your browser and version, the option might look a little different, but the core idea is the same. For Mozilla, use About, Config option to access advanced settings. Step 7. Block cookies. Cookies have data and code in them that can be used for tracking. In addition to tracking views, this tracking is also utilized for advertisements. These tracking cookies contain coding that allows for personal identification. These cookies thus pose a big threat to your anonymity. Use the following codes in the Mozilla browser to enable only first-party cookies. Step 8. Block plugins. Plugins extend the functionality of the browser's API by adding extra code. However, when doing this, plugins disclose information about your system. The data is then employed to locate prospective clients and users for their other products. Step 9. Avoid using Google. In order to offer you with advertisements that you might click on, Google makes it their business to keep track of everything you do. As helpful as the search engine is, there are ways to maximize its effectiveness without jeopardizing your privacy. Services like Startpage display Google results but don't keep track of IP addresses, cookies, or search history. DuckDuckGo offers a comparable service. Step 10. Turn off your location. Disable access to camera and other media and disable hardware acceleration. Never ever allow permission to access camera, media, file storage, location to any application at any time. Always make sure VPN and proxies are enabled and MAC address are spoofed. Now that you guys are aware of how hackers can remain anonymous, is that all you can do? Not totally true, I suppose. I've given you guys the simplest and most fundamental options you have for being anonymous online. There are more ways to remain anonymous and leave no evidence of your actions or inactions, but doing so involves extensive software and hardware customization. Again, this video is meant for educational purposes only. Thank you.